the 72 IG. What you need to know about the 72 IG course, my ins and outs about the 72 IG course, and also at the end of today's video I'm going to be giving you guys a free alternative to the 72 IG course in case the 72 IG course is very expensive for you to get. So if you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, make sure you like this video, and also make sure you like this video and make sure you hit the post notifications to get notified anytime I have another update for you guys. So basically what the 72 IG course is all about is, subscribe to my channel guys. So basically what the 72 IG course is all about is a course that teaches people how to market product as an affiliate marketer online. So what the course will teach you is how to promote products, both physical and digital, and also if you have a product by yourself, it will teach you how to promote it, how to make sales with these products, and how to generate income consistently with the internet. So the course was created by Toyin Omotosho, and the main reason for creating the course was that when Toyin Omotosho launched his website, which is Expertnaire, back in 2018, he realized that majority of the people that wanted to make money online as an affiliate marketer do not actually have the right knowledge to promote products online. So that's why he created the 72 IG course to teach people how to promote products online as an affiliate marketer. So the 72 IG is mainly comprised of just exclusive content videos and good quality PDFs that are expensive. You will see some PDF, you check where they sell it, like you'll be surprised that wow, this guy is giving you guys these PDFs for free. They are very expensive and very exclusive. So basically, so don't let me waste your time and let me show you guys what's like the insider secret into 72 IG. Once you get the course, what you are going to get and everything. So once you register for the 72 IG, you will get an email notification from Toyin Omotosho, which will give you the access link to access the course. So let me show you guys the email notification you are going to get from Mr. Toyin Omotosho to access your 72 IG course. So basically this is the email notification you are going to get. I'm coming. I'm still searching for the email. Okay, this I'm coming. Yeah, so this is the email notification you're going to get once you pay the 60,000 to buy the 72 IG. And this email is actually like, it will give you access to the page, to the sites where the videos are. So once you click on the link, it will redirect you to the websites, to the 7-star courses where Mr. Toyin Omotosho put his courses for, where the 72 IG is launched, is posted. So basically this is the 72 IG income generator. So it is 2 contents in one. So there is WhatsApp income generator training program and there is the 72 IG version 2.0. The WhatsApp income generating program is a training program on how to use WhatsApp to start generating income consistently using the internet. And it is like the fastest route for people that just register on the 72 IG to start getting results with affiliate marketing. While the version 2.0 is an exclusive in-depth content that teaches you guys how to become a successful full-time affiliate marketer with the internet. So now, as a bonus, Mr. Toyin Omotosho made the WhatsApp income generator the first part, and the videos are not much, so that you guys will, it's just 3 modules, so you can watch it fast. Within a week you are done, and after a week you start implementing what you learned. And that's why people are actually getting crazy results right now with with affiliate marketing, because the WhatsApp income generator is the fast route for you to start getting results. So now let's access the WhatsApp income generator so that you see what's inside the WhatsApp income generator. So basically it's made up of 3 modules. So module 1 has 3 videos, module 2 has 5 main videos with 3 video tutorial and 1 PDF. Module 3 has 2 videos and the Twitter money blueprints, which is highly recommended for you to get like for you to start making sales. So this is module 1. See, introduction. The second video is understanding the Expertnaire affiliate marketing system. The third video is picking a product to promote and understanding the products and the potential buyers. Guys, this content is filled with so much value. The second module is introduction to WhatsApp sales funnel. How to pick up fast, easy money by promoting the contacts you already have. A lot of valuable content in this income generator program. So they even teach you how to create shortened link, how to do a video animation, how to create websites for free, how to do a lot of things without even paying for domain and landing page, guys. So I won't want to waste your time and show you guys everything. Like, this is what this WhatsApp income generator comprises of. So as a bonus tip too, they give you a list of WhatsApp TV compilations, so that when you want to start promoting products, you won't have to get scammed by all these notorious fake WhatsApp TVs that are out there. So they'll give you a list of WhatsApp TV that are trustworthy and reliable. So when you want to start marketing your product, you can just easily give them some little tips to start promoting your product for you. And also, you learn to create your website by yourself. They give you the JavaScript and everything. All you need to do is just copy and paste and your website is done. So guys, let's move to the second version, which is the version 2.0. Let me show you guys what is the version 2.0 also. So the version 2.0 of the 72 IG is made up of 12 modules. 12 days training. It's a 12 days in-depth training, where you get to learn a lot of things about becoming a full-time affiliate marketer online. And these are not 5-minute videos, these are not 10-minute videos, these are 30 minutes deep videos that will expose you to a lot of deep content about the internet marketing space. So guys, this content is fully loaded, so I will strongly urge you to buy this content. Like, that's why it's very expensive, and actually this is actually cheap, because compared to some marketing school and stuff which cost around 250,000, the 72 IG just cost about 60,000 naira, guys. And I won't be blowing my own with you. I will show you guys a proof for you guys to know how profitable and how fruitful this thing is. So this is a tweet I got on Twitter yesterday. I said by Nena L Ifeanyi. So he said, the 72 IG course by Toyo Motosho is deeper than I thought. But that guy is a beast in this marketing space. In fact, he has a dominant gene in marketing. Laugh out loud. Even if he decides to double the price of the course, it's still incomparable to the course value. So guys, can you see? Like, the course is highly valuable and highly exclusive. So now we're at the end of today's video. So the bonus offer that I have for you guys is, I know a lot of people do not have up to 60,000 to pay for the 72 IG course. So I have an alternative course which costs about 30,000 naira on Expertnaire, but I will be giving this course out to the first 50 people to direct message me on my WhatsApp. The link is in the description section below. I'll be giving it out to them for free. So if you message me on my WhatsApp, let me show you the course. I'll be giving you the course for free once you message me on my WhatsApp, and the link is in the description section below. So this is the course. The course will teach you guys how to make your first sale as an affiliate marketer. So I believe that once you start making sales from this course, then you have enough money to buy the 72 IG. Then you start promoting the 72 IG the right way. So let me show you guys the course. So this is the course, your first sale affiliate marketing blueprint. See, it costs about 30,000 naira, but I'll be giving the first 50 people to click the link and message me for free. So it will teach you guys how to make your first sale. Then after making your first sale, I believe, like, if you start generating at least 200,000 naira, you have enough 60, you have up to like 60, you have a spare 60,000 naira that you can use to register for this 72 IG proper. So guys, this offer is only meant for the first 50 people. If I get 50 people today, that is all. Like, I'm not opening this offer again for anybody if I get the 50 people today, that is the end. So if you want this free course offer, which is an alternative to the 72 IG, click the link in the description section below and message me, and I will reply you, and I will give you the free course as an alternative to the 72 IG. So guys, that's all for today's video. Please like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, like, I don't know what you guys are waiting for. Subscribe, like, and that's all for today. All right, thank you, I'm out. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and hit the post notification to get notified anytime I have another update for you guys. So the offer is only available for the first 50 people to message me on my WhatsApp, and the link is in the description section below. Thank you, I'm out.